The one who never quits always wins. Everyone loses in life. Some lose dreams, some lose people, some lose themselves. But life is not about losing. Life is about what you do after you lose. The person who falls and still stands up. The person who cries and still moves forward. The person who knocks on the door of failure again and again. That person does not know how to quit. Because quitting is not falling down. Quitting is refusing to rise again. Every great victory in this world was once a painful defeat. Silent struggles, unseen tears, countless failures. These are what build an unbreakable human being. The day you say, "I can't," is the day you lose. But the day you say, "I'm not done yet," is the day you begin to win. Remember this, the one who never quits always wins. If not in results, then in becoming stronger than ever before.